Oh, appreciate it.
I've left, and you were screen sharing.
Yay!
Yippee!
Okay, let's do.
Sweet.
I don't need a flashlight. Oh, I'll get lockpicks.
Or look, I have no money.
It's okay.
Look, I'm your boy. I don't need anything else.
Just. Wait, can you put him down?
I'm just crouching.
You look like you were on the. Oh.
No, I'm just crouching with him, like looking down at him. It's, like,
Oh,
so
that's
funny.
funny. It looks like you're like putting him down.
My arms look so ridiculous from this angle.
That's so
Like
funny.
chicken legs. They look like chicken legs. Here's
Okay.
the color of my shirt.
Wait. Can she? Is she able to do rooms? Oh yeah, she has to do rooms to be able to do back door.
Yeah.
Ah, yes.
Yippee!
Well, would
Is
you
it
even like
beside you?
eat it or just get to it?
Wait, what do you mean? What?
Are you asking if she can beat Williams or get to
No,
it?
like I forgot. I thought it was the other way around. You had to do back doors
wall.
first, and that in order to get to the room.
Okay,
Yeah, I was
yeah.
getting the achievements mixed up.
I was wondering. I was like, what are you asking?
Yeah, yeah. My brain was all mushed together, and
Your 3 brain cells are showing.
they're yeah they're
They're
breaking
slowing down. It's been a
one by
day,
one.
You know, it's been a day. There's a band-aid. Let me.
You're talking to each other. Chicken.
Hi. Oh, my bad.
Ooh, band-aid.
Oh, you got double feature. Let's go. Are you asking me? 'Cause I am unable to look at Discord right now. When
Thanks.
Taylor gets home, he can look at Discord. Because he will take second shift as technical
Manager?
difficulties man.
Difficulty man and manager.
As manager.
Interesting.
Did we flush the toilet?
Deepness.
Oh, yep.
Did you?
I
There
did.
you go.
Gotta flush that toilet.
Look at our little guys. They're so cute.
Our computer men, literally.
Men. 7, I think. Yeah. 7. Oh, that's
Number 8.
Nothing useful.
Okay.
9. The lock.
Okay. Okay.
Got it.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's in the middle of the, just on the chair. Most obvious spot ever.
Yeah. Oh, I'm like super delayed. Let me refresh my
Yeah, you've been
screen.
playing all day for me, but I'm not using.
It could be because I have like a
I can't see
100 things open right now.
I can't see anything.
Oh, thanks for the follow. I didn't say
always
how I
do that.
usually
I don't want
say
to
it.
go under the bed, bro.
Thanks for the follow. There you go. Is that how I usually say it?
Follow.
For the follow.
Thanks for the follow. There's a band-aid, not me.
Thank you for the follow.
I have a candle. Does anybody have a lighter?
No, I should have bought one.
Ah. Well, if anybody finds one, I have a candle. It's a birthday candle. My birthday's coming up. It's perfect. I'm not turning 3. I'm turning 23.
And there you
I'm
go.
lost in the sauce.
On
Okay, here we go.
next Sunday. I have a key.
Oh yeah, your birthday's
These
coming
are
up. Oh my gosh. Oh hi.
Next Sunday, not this Sunday.
Oh okay, okay, okay.
Finally, we can look forward to St. Patrick's Day.
I'm dead. I'm just
Weird.
walking
Oh,
around.
wrong
I
way.
can't see anything. Des.
Oh,
I
it's
have
this
no
way.
light.
It's this way. Follow the light. Follow the light.
Light a screech. Hello? There she is. I can't see anything. I need a lighter.
Wait, how did you do that? Is it? Oh, it's like that. Okay.
No, yeah. You
Does anybody have the key?
I have the key. I have the key. So.
Okay.
Let's try it.
Sorry,
What do
it's
you
okay.
want, Screech?
12,
Leave me alone.
13. Okay, okay.
13. Okay.
Where is my reward? Can I have?
Nope.
Got it. Okay. I don't give you the reward. Twitch gives you the reward.
Coming to your inbox.
It should be in your inbox, yeah.
Once you get it, you get like a little notification. Hmm.
Oh, thank you.
Anything fun?
Thank you, chicken. That's nice of you.
Nothing fun. Good look. Succeed. Nothing. We don't have a key.
17. Toilet.
Toilet.
Going downstairs.
Beer!
Who's getting the beer?
I want beer.